Do a language translation. Hi guys, ako po si Martin Maldito. Are you talking about us, gay?
Yes.
Mahina sa Tagalog. Bagsak sa Tagalog, guys. We are going to spice this up a bit.
Goodbye! Yeah!
Alam!
Gagawa kami ng challenge. Challenge. Ano na sinus ito?
Language translation challenge. Translation challenge. Hi guys, ako po si Martin Maldito. Add me po. Subscribe to my channel, Martin Maldito Vlog. You introduce yourself in your native language, in German.
Hallo. Hallo, ich bin Jürgen. Hallo, ich bin Jürgen.
Hi, my name's Jan.
Ako po si
So, ito ang challenge ngayon guys. Sa vlog na ito, we are going to do a language translation. Si Yan po, since he is an Englishman, he is going to say a word and we are going to translate it in... I will be translating it in Cebuano, in German,
Filipino.
in Tagalog, Filipino. Let the challenge begin! So, first word.
Expensive.
Jürgen.
Teuer.
Mahal.
Mahal din.
Mahal din sa Tagalog.
Mahal din sa Tagalog.
Sophia?
Yeah.
In Dutch. What is it in Dutch?
Duur.
Duur. Say duur, Sophia. Duur.
Okay, next to that.
House.
Haus.
Balay.
Bahay.
Yan.
House.
Taos. You're doing it. Say taos.
Money.
Oh, I love money. I like the sound of that.
Geld.
Gate? Are you talking about us, gates?
Geld.
Money, kwarta.
Pera.
Pera o ba yun?
Pero ba yun?
In Netherlands?
Yeah.
Kelt.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Lampe.
Suga. Suga ba guys? Suga.
Suga,
Diba?
tama,
Tama.
tama.
Tama. Tama.
Ilaw.
Ilaw.
And
Sophia, Dutch? In
Lamp.
Netherlands? Lamp.
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 Ah, yeah, lamp. Yes.
Lamp. Very good.
Very good.
Flower.
Blume.
Bulak. Uy, Tagalog.
Bulak din.
Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya.
Ano Tagalog?
Bulaklak.
Bulaklak.
Ayan. Mahina sa Tagalog. Bagsak sa Tagalog, guys, sa high school.
Not my favorite subject.
She could remember.
She can remember.
Yeah.
Bulak. Bulaklak.
Bulaklak.
Netherlands?
Blum.
Blue. Yeah.
Is Dutch? Wow.
Baby.
Hala, baby.
Baby.
Baby. Also baby. Baby. Hala.
Puya. Puya.
Puya?
Puya.
Puya din na sa Bisaya. Puya.
Puya ka nang gamay kayo. Yung sa Tagalog, anak siya
High
na.
five.
Ang baby
Sanggol.
Oh,
Sanggol.
sanggol.
Kabright. Oy, kabright.
Almost caught him out.
So we are going to... Yes, you also want to vlog? To do the vlog? Yeah? Okay. We are going to ask the foreigners to repeat the word in Bisaya and we are going to repeat the words in German. In English, it's easy peasy. But Yan will give us the word and then we are going to translate that in Bisaya or Tagalog and then they're going to copy us. Okay.
Water.
Water. English accent.
Water.
Water.
Water. Ikaw, German.
German?
Wasser.
Oh, we have to
Wasser.
copy. Wasser.
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 Vasa.
See, Wasser.
Pronounce the W as a V.
Yeah,
Wasser.
Bisaya. Tubig.
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 Sure, that laugh.
Next English word. Ano English word yan?
Love.
Love.
Love. Love.
Love, love, love. German?
Liebe.
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 Liebedish.
Ich liebe dich, Lada.
A long time.
In Bisaya, gugma.
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 Gugma. Yeah!
It's love.
Gugmahan ka ay ko nimo.
Yeah, I
Yeah, I
love.
love you.
Careful.
Very much.
Okay.
Dada!
I do my how keep that.
Bye, kita in Tagalog.
Start now.
Oh,
What? You too?
yeah.
Yeah, gugma.
Mukbang.
Yeah. Simple words. Cricket.
Hund.
Hunt.
Hund.
Hund.
That means
Dog.
dog.
Why not say dog?
Yay.
Say
Okay,
dog.
start. Ah,
Iro.
dog in Bisaya is iro.
Ow. Aso.
Iro.
Ero.
Iro.
Ay, mana ay.
Don't ask me to say it because
What?
I cannot
Iro.
R.
cannot roll my R's.
Sige na.
Just one try.
Earog.
Irog.
In
Aso.
Aso.
That I could say.
Yeah, you can
Asshole.
say. Let's see if they can copy this word. Kinakabahan. Kinakabahan.
Wow, Dada.
Kinakabahan. Oh, you go first.
Kinakabahan.
Wow. Kinakabahan.
Yeah. Huh?
What's it mean?
It
Nervous.
means, yeah.
I'm
nervous. Kinakabahan.
Tama.
Yay! Challenging na Tagalog word na even I,
Dapat?
nabubulol ako.
Ano bulol?
I find it very difficult to say nakakapagabagag.
So if you find it difficult, how do you expect us to say it? Then?
I know. But that's a challenge.
Nakakapagab...
See, also she can't do it.
As in?
Nakakapagpagabagag.
Ay,
Pagabag. Bagabag.
Let me say
It's bagab.
Bagabag.
Nakakapagabagag.
Bagabag.
Nakakapagpagabagag.
Write it down.
Bagabagag. We can't do it, guys. Nakakapagpagabagag.
No.
They can't do it. How weird you to do it.
Yay! And that's the challenge for today, guys.
One person, Dada.
Yay! That's our family vlog for today.
Family vlog.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit up my channel, Martin Mojito Vlogs,
And subscribe.
and subscribe
And like.
and like.
Like.
It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye in your own language.
Tschüss.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye. Paalam.
Paalam. Hello, hello, hello. Episode 1.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in.
Hey, careful, gently.
Hey. Sige, ano na tuguan?
Ito ka, welcome to my channel.
Umana na biya.
Ang
done
pala.
You say that to someone there, probably get thumped.
Okay,
you.
let's
They think you said asshole.
See, that was quick.
Guwapa lagi kay kanak eh.